Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble columns in Minecraft. Bubble columns are incredibly useful for vertical transportation and underwater bases. You can create two distinct types, one that pushes you upwards and another that pulls you downwards. Understanding how to build these will greatly enhance your underwater exploration and base designs. We will cover the simple steps to construct both types effectively. To create an upward bubble column, you will need soul sand. Simply place a block of soul sand at the very bottom of a water column. It is crucial that every block of water directly above the soul sand is a full water source block. This setup will generate powerful bubbles that push anything, including players and items, quickly towards the surface. It is perfect for vertical elevators. For a downward bubble column, you will need a magma block. Place this magma block at the base of your water column. Just like with soul sand, it is essential that all water blocks directly above the magma block are full source blocks. This configuration will generate bubbles that pull players and items downwards, making it ideal for rapid descents into underwater structures or for creating clever traps. Bubble columns offer many practical applications in Minecraft. They are perfect for building fast elevators in your bases, allowing quick travel between different levels. You can also integrate them into item collection systems for various farms, or even use them as part of a clever defense mechanism. Remember to always enclose your water column to maintain the integrity of the bubble flow.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.